School opened by Oprah Winfrey will close after 2027. The Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy of Girls in South Africa opened nearly 2 decades ago. The school is reportedly transitioning its operations back to local officials after 2027.
Why is Oprah shutting down her famous girls' school? After nearly 20 years, Oprah Winfrey has announced that the Leadership Academy in South Africa will close at the end of the 2027 school year.
If you are new here, my name is Lillian and I'm excited to have you here. My OGs, thank you for always coming back, and I will also appreciate a like, a subscription if you have not, and of course feel free to comment in the comment section of the video. There's something trending in South Africa, and that is about the school that Oprah Winfrey established in South Africa some 20 years, 19 years ago, thereabouts. A few days ago, I came across an article on Linda Ikeche, a popular Nigerian blogger on Instagram. So I decided to go on TikTok to do my research. Linda stated the reason why, okay? But I still wanted to do my research. Upon going on TikTok, I came across so many videos, so many propaganda, yada, yada, yada. I'm going to let you listen to some of them before we get into the reason why Oprah is shutting down the school. Let's get into the propaganda first. Then we unveil the truth like we have always done.
Fred closes South African girls' school after 20 years due to xenophobic attack that has been ongoing in South Africa. Not just her, even another popular supermarket has officially shut down due to the xenophobic attack that has been happening in South Africa. When I went through the commission of that video, a lot of people were seen telling her to move her school to either Zimbabwe, Mozambique, or Uganda. When you get there, you will be welcomed, and of course, you would have people that are interested to continue to school in Oprah Winfrey. When I told you guys that all these things are going to backfire on mostly on South African economy, do you guys think I was capping? Take a look at Oprah Winfrey School shutting down after 20 years. Do you think these schools does not pay taxes to the government? Let's take a look at the videos. You guys should please leave me your thoughts in the comment. Do not forget to like, share.
Just a joy, such a reward. I feel so rewarded by every single.
Exactly. So, if you're ready, let's get into the truth.
School opened by Oprah Winfrey will close after 2027. The Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy of Girls in South Africa opened nearly 2 decades ago. The school is reportedly transitioning its operations back to local officials after 2027. A representative for Winfrey says she'll focus on an expanded scholarship program for the girls there.
Why is Oprah shutting down her famous girls' school? After nearly 20 years, Oprah Winfrey has announced that the Leadership Academy in South Africa will close at the end of the 2027 school year. There had been speculation that the closure was due to mismanagement, but in fact the closure was part of the original deal when the school was founded. The $40 million campus will be handed to the local education department. Oprah's foundation will shift to funding scholarship programs for academically gifted young women across South Africa. Oprah has said that she is excited that this next chapter will reach even more young women. More than 1,000 young women have graduated from the academy, but what will happen to the academy's current students? Well, those who have not graduated will be offered full scholarships elsewhere.
All right, here's an update for you. Yesterday, we told you Oprah Winfrey was closing her Leadership Academy for girls in South Africa. A lot of people were upset by the headline, but here is the part that really got lost in all of that. It's an update. Yes, the boarding school is scheduled to close next year and transition to local leadership, but Oprah isn't ending the mission. She's expanding it through a broader scholarship program designed to reach even more young women across South Africa. And I think that's an important distinction. Sometimes we confuse the mission with the building, and the building may close though, but the mission doesn't have to. If this new approach helps more young women get an education, then maybe this isn't the end of Oprah's mission. Maybe it is just a new chapter. What do you think? Let us know.
My experiences at the African Leadership Academy, and let it be known, this does not equal this. It's actually pretty scary to me how many of you guys think that schools with a large international student population are the same thing, especially in South Africa where there are a lot of international students. I just really had to come up here and clarify because there's a lot of rumors about what's going on in this school that I definitely did not experience at this school. There were also tons of comments about students being highly medicated at the African Leadership Academy. Let me just clear that up. They do not play about any of those stuff there. The moment they even catch you for being under a certain type of whatever it may be, you're out of that place. Like, they are really strict about that, and I don't want that to be the narrative that is sparked under my videos. I will address a few more of the rumors if you guys want to hear. Some of them are definitely true, so stay tuned for that.
She's so brave, she's well behaved, she is not afraid. She's powerful, she's a good girl, she is our whole world.
There is no sane human being on this planet Earth that would be against South Africans simply because they want to fix their country. And especially they want undocumented immigrants out of their country, because being in a country illegally or being in a country when your document has expired is criminality. Ladies and gentlemen, reduce the way you sleep in church and awaken your good conscience, okay? If you can awaken your good conscience, add it together with your church going, it will go a long way into helping you be a better person. I know it's due to lack of self-respect. It's the lack of self-respect that will make you lie. Lie because there are people who wish South Africans bad. Oprah is not shutting down the school due to, I hate to use that word xenophobia attacks like people are using, because if you know what xenophobia means, you will all apologize to South Africans. You cannot stay in a xenophobic country for up to 15 years. They're not born you well. You cannot. Nobody will even tell you. Your body could tell you, you cannot. So the reason for the closing down of the school is not due to South Africans wanting undocumented immigrants out of the country. Go and return is not a bad thing. Now you see them to be a bad thing, okay? If you are proud of your country, you will not be mad at South Africans. You will happily go home. After all, the flights are free. I think it costs a lot, because maybe you have wanted to go home for some time and you cannot afford it. You can hop on that flight and go. Nobody is obsessed with a xenophobic country. If you live a xenophobic environment, you'll be thanking your God that you did. You will not even remember. You will not want to remember your experiences in that country. So South Africans are not xenophobic. And Oprah is not shutting down the school due to that. It is due to her keeping to her word. Unlike some of us fellow Africans, you cannot relate. You promise A, but we get B and D. In as much as there are people that want to see South Africans down because they have asked them to leave their country, it's not going to happen just because somebody wishes bad. God does not work that way. Anyway, I just said to bring you the truth about these reports. I hope you enjoyed the video and that I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.